Well, hey, how you doing? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. Today I've got something really neat that I was given by a friend in the Ramen Junkies group. Go on Facebook, type in Ramen Junkies in the search. You'll find it. We'll let you in. Just be nice. From the UK, we have the new Lost the Pot Noodle roast chicken. So pot noodle, they call cup noodles pot noodles. They call the cups pots, okay? So that's the deal. We have a pot noodle that has a noodle block. You drop it into 250 mils of water, and then you drop in the seasoning. Turn that down a little. You know it's chicken flavor, folks, because it has a picture of a chicken on it. So my buddy that sent me this, apparently he's been working in the COVID department at hospitals over there, and I just wanted to say thank you for doing what you do, man. That's got to be pretty rough stuff to see these days. They're talking all about Omicron being the new one, and there's more cases of it like every day and all that fun stuff. So do your part to keep my kids in school. I don't care about the mortality rate. Just please keep my kids in school. That would make me very happy. And them happy as well. Because, see, my kids are like, oh, winter break? What's this about? I want to go and be in school. I want to see my friends. I'm like, well, you know, you don't, the school's closed. No! Yeah, it actually is closed right now. So, he's informed me that these are exceedingly bland. And I've had a lot of pot noodle before, and I've had that experience. Just pretty bland stuff. So I'll taste it up a bit, but yeah, it looks more like it's gonna be, they're not usually brothy. You only use 250 mils of water to get it going, and it'll suck most of that up. I'm trying not to boil it too hard too, because if I do that, it's gonna be kinda a little much. But I've got some neat stuff to throw in. I was gonna use this bowl, but seeing as it's so brothy, I think I'm gonna use the plating plate. Ah, come on, come on. Yeah. All right, this one. I think it should fit no sweat. Stirring it and stirring it and stirring it. Are we almost done? I don't want it to burn. And this, yeah, we need a new timer. Maybe, see, the kids got new tablets, and I got one of the old ones, the 10-inch tablet. I wish there was I could get one of those things, and I could set the timer on that and have that be the cool timer. I could set preset timer intervals. We'll see. That could be fun. I tried using it for a talk with our friend Stumpy yesterday, and it worked pretty well, and then all of a sudden, he dropped out, so. Stumpy! The king of North Little Rock, Arkansas, Stumpy the guy. Yep. So that should be done in a second. I went to the store. Shush! I went to the store yesterday, and there we go. And I needed to get some green onions and vegetables and junk because I've got this one I'm doing and I've got another one I'm doing today. Yeah, this is like barely, it's not even really brothy. It's like there's a little bit of liquid at the bottom. Let's give this a try. He promised blandness. I have a feeling this one will be less bland and better than the cups. That's my take. But I could be totally wrong. Slightly salty, definitely stronger flavor than I've found in the cups. The cups just tend to be really, 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 really bland. And this isn't, the flavors in this aren't strong. My buddy likes Malaysian varieties quite a bit. So of course he's down with like white curry and curries and all that. But yeah, this definitely is not at par with that. So compared to those, this is violently bland. But this really isn't bad. It's more of like a noodle side dish kind of affair here. So what am I gonna put on it? I like it. I kind of like it. This is chicken that I baked. I rubbed it down with paprika and shawarma seasoning. Shawarma. Where do you get shawarma seasoning, dude? Well, I'll tell you. I got it at the store. Which has that, but they don't have green onions, or pretty much all of their produce area was completely empty, and it sucked. It really sucked. Cause I'm running with green onions right now, ladies and gentlemen, that are pretty sad looking. The leaves, some of the leaves on them, or the greenery on them per se, is what do you call it? It's dry. Come on, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go, let go. There you go. So there's an egg. It's chicken. What came first? The chicken noodles, not the egg. I should just put this. I should just move somewhere where I have a larger kitchen. That's not in the cards anytime soon. But when I do, oh boy, it'll be a whole new show. Here's some, come on. Some of our pretty sad onion. You know green onions are old when you put it through your green onion slicing machine, and they make so much spray that you're like tearing up from green onions. Here's some fried garlic. That should spruce things up a bit. I'm gonna skip on the sesame seeds. But I want this chicken to be kind of like featured here, and it doesn't want to be showy. I want this egg to be a little more showy too. Yeah. I think that looks nice. Does it need more? Probably. What can I do? I got a can of corned beef. Now, I don't think that would be fitting in the slightest. Ooh, yeah. It's time for a little bit of rotato. Well, thank you again very much to old JB over at the Ramen Junkies over in England. You the man, brother. And keep doing what you do. Absolutely. And as you'll see, I didn't put any corn in this. It said if you want to be a real ramen master, you can put corn and broccoli in this stuff. Like, I know. But the next one is a gift from another friend, my friend Matt Bella, who's appeared on the show. He's a famous author. And we've got this phenomenal bowl. This is actually something that was developed by somebody, I believe, in Kirkland, which is like the next city over, or Redmond or Bellevue. A guy named Duke Pham, or Pham. I don't know, probably Pham. But yeah, we'll check this out on the next episode. So with that, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Yeah, have a good one. Bye.